So, hi, dear Capricorn. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is a you versus them current energy check in for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. This is a timeless reading because it's just current energy check in. The rules can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. Not resonating, not your reading. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, masterclass link is given below for the same. Sorry, and it's life changing. I'm doing it from a very very long time, trust me on that. Let's see, Cappies, what we have on your side. On your side we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, the Hangman. You're completely stuck energetically. You are completely stuck on something or someone on a deeper level. You're trying your best to let go of the past. You're trying your best to let the past be in the past, not carrying the past baggages with you, finding your calmer water, finding your own peace. And you're trying your best to surrender to the divine in some way in order to find the peace that you want, but you're stuck and you're not able to let it go. You're not able to move ahead. You are not able to stick around. You are not able to understand what you guys should do in order to find the peace and the happiness that you want to have in a relationship. So you're kind of a stuck, you're kind of in a stuck kind of energy where you're not able to understand what exactly you should do in order to find the peaceful and happy kind of energy that you really really want and deserve. Okay, so both this card, Hangman and Knight of Pentacles, is slow and delayed energy, stuck energies, and Six of Swords is trying to move ahead but still carrying a lot of past baggages with you. Okay, so you're trying your best to find a peaceful solution here and move ahead in this situation with or without this person that you're attached to. Hmm. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to right now at this present moment. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Death, and the Queen of Cups. Right now, this person wants to have this self love, self care, care, self healing kind of energy. Right now, they are not very much focused on this collaboration, this partnership. Right now, they are in this energy of, okay, if this is ending, let this end. This person doesn't want to put in the effort and energy to make this work out or resolve it with you or do something about the situation. Right now they are very much focused on this energy of, if this is ending, if this is not meant for me, if this is going to end somehow someday, so what's the use of trying to work on this? And if it is naturally ending, let it end. So somebody is not even trying to save it or to make this work out, because right now they are very much focused in this energy of, okay, it is bound to end someday, so let it end today only. Hmm? I don't see this energy as a giving up energy. I do see this energy as an acceptance kind of energy of, if it is going down, let it go down. Let me just focus on myself, my money, my job, my career, and basically my self healing. That's more important for me. That's more aligned for me right now. Let's see for the connection what we have, Cappies. We have the Devil, the King of Cups, the King of Pentacles. There is definitely a third party kind of energy between you guys, whether from your side or from their side, or from both the sides maybe. Third party energies can be romantic third parties, it could be family, it could be addiction, it could be money, job, career issues, it could be cultural background issue, it could be anything. Until unless this third party energy is not going to be removed from this situation is not going to go anywhere. Now it's completely up to you guys, if you guys want to remove this third party and work on this situation and let the situation be the way it is. So something needs to be completely cleaned, healed, and properly gone in order for this situation to move forward even an inch, because right now it's not going anywhere. Hmm? Because of heavy third party kind of energies in the situation, it's not going to go anywhere until unless these third party energies are going to be completely removed from the situation. I don't see this happening as of now. Maybe in the coming future you guys will be able to sort it out and find a way to reconnect and do something about the situation. I can't see the potential even as of now, because one of you is kind of not interested anymore. So until unless these third parties kind of energies are not going to be removed completely, I'm sorry to say it's not going to go anywhere. Now, what you're gonna do about it, completely up to you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.